Hi guys, today we will learn about Git branching, how to create a new branch, how to check out to newly created branch, how to delete branch, and why there is a branch concept in a Git. So basically, branch concept uh, is in Git is very important because we created different branches for segregate our code for different teams, so every team can individually work on different branch, so there will be no any accidental modification in the main branch. So let me create one git repository. So I can clone from the github repository any existing repository, or I can just create any new repository from here. Then I can do rest of the things in this newly created repository. Let me create mkdir new test cd new test. Okay, so let me initialize this repository, get in it. This is initialized, there is nothing as of now. So while we create any new repository, we have a master branch. So let's suppose uh, in my project I have a different teams, like dev team, qa, and production for master. So any running code from the which is running on production, we put into the master branch, which is the default branch for any newly created repository. And for rest of the teams, we can create a new branch, like we can create Brave branch, and we can create the future branch as well. So feature branch we generally create for any bug fixes or any new enhancement in our running code. So let me put some content in this master branch. So I'm creating one file, test.txt. Okay, let me add this file, git add git commit hyphen m new file, add it. Okay, so we have committed the one file here. Okay, so let's create a new branch here. Suppose I want to create one branch for dev team. So I'm creating git branch dev. So it will create a branch from master, so it will pull the code from master branch and will create the dev branch. So if we check how many branches are there, git branch, so we can see there is two branches in this repository. One is master, which is our current working branch, and another one is dev. So if we move into the dev branch, we can see what it will be the have the same code in dev. So let me move to dev branch, git checkout, and the branch name dev. So we have switched to the dev branch right now. If we see the content, we have the same content here. Okay, same like that we can create the multiple branches for multiple teams. So now what we have to do, and we if we do any modification in this branch, we have to push the changes to the master branch. We have to push the uh, changes to merge the changes to the master branch. Okay, so this is how we create a new branch. And let me rename, if we want to rename any branch, we can rename the branch as well. So same command we will follow, git branch hyphen m for modification. Suppose I want to do dev, so maybe it will not work because I am working in dev branch only. So let me check it, new dev. So maybe I have to okay, it's renamed. So my branch is renamed to new dev. So I have modified the same branch name with the new name. And if you want to merge any code to the master branch. Now we can merge it. Okay, so let me put some content here. Touch file1 dot txt. I have to add this and commit. Git add. Okay, I have committed this branch name. So if I want to merge this branch into the master, I should have access to the master branch, or I can, as right now I have a full access on entire repository. So I'll go to the master branch first, git checkout master. So so right now I'm in a master branch. So if I want to merge my new dev branch here, so I can merge it. So let me see if there is content. There is test.txt file only right now. So I want to merge the new dev branch as well. Git merge new dev. Let me see the content right now. So I have both files, file1 which is in the new dev branch and the existing data. So this is how we can merge the branch. So once we merge, uh, any data, we can delete the branch. Generally we delete the feature branches, not the like dev, which is we generally we use the uh, main branches. We don't delete them, we just delete the feature branches. So for delete, we can just put the D option in branch name, like git branch hyphen D and the branch name new dev. So it has deleted our branch. So this is how we can create the new branch. We can merge our branch, or we can rename the branch name.